Hi there, this is Scott Nicholson. Welcome to my fall semester update, where I'm going to talk about upcoming electives for fall 2008. But before I start, I wanted to let you know that in October of this year, the American Library Association is going to be coming to reaccredit the school. What that means is we're going to be putting out a call for meetings both with local students and with online students to help the accreditation committee have some folks to talk with who are taking the program. So look for that in October. But let's get on with the courses. If you're a campus student or you can drive to campus, here are some of the electives that you could consider. IST 500 is graphic design for the web, so if you're going to be helping to create a library website, this might help you a lot. IST 565 is data mining. So data mining is looking in large amounts of data for patterns. That's actually been one of my research areas, so if you want to get deep into data, this is a course for you. IST 600, taught by Renee Franklin, one of our new faculty members, is information analysis, presentation, and interpretation. If you're going to be doing presentations of research and literature, this would be a good class to consider taking. IST 619, Applied Economics for Information Managers. Now, wipe that scowl off your face. This could actually be very useful for you if you're going to end up being in the managerial position, which most of you will be. Having some basic economic knowledge is going to help you out a lot. IST 641, Behavior of Information Users. This is a more theoretical course taught by Mike Nyland. This is one of his research areas, and it's really looking at how people interact with information. IST 645 is Managing Information Systems Projects. This course is offered both in person and online. This is the project management class. Our guest speakers who come to our 511 Gateway class typically tell us that project management is a course they wish they had taken. IST 649, Human Interaction with Computers. This is going to be more of a computer science look at how people interact with systems. IST 657, Basics of Computerized Retrieval Systems. Now, this course is a good complement to IST 637, which is about using search tools. IST 657 is about creating search tools. It's about being on the other side and creating these search engines. IST 662, Instructional Strategies and Techniques for Information Professionals. This is being taught by Megan Oakleaf, another one of our new faculty members, and she's going to be looking at helping people get ready to do information literacy sessions. So if you're going to be doing a lot of presentations in your job, you should consider taking this class. IST 676, Digital Libraries. Now this is the first course in the Digital Library Certificate of Advanced Studies, but anyone can take it. It's a readings course and would be a great introduction if you're thinking you might be interested in the CAS and digital libraries, but you're not sure. Now let's talk about the online classes. These online electives are open to anyone, so even if you're a local student but you want one of these, you can take it. IST 500, Multimedia Technology, is a course if you're going to be doing multimedia projects, like this one, for your library. IST 600, Second Life in Librarianship. We've had this before. It's a one-credit class. It just runs for a month, and it's going to have you immersed in the Second Life world. IST 600, there's a WISE Plus class you'll see on the schedule. Now, WISE Plus is a new program where we're working in conjunction with a library organization. In this case, it's ACRL for Contemporary Academic Librarianship. Now, there's only a few slots for Syracuse students in this class. So if you can't get in or you don't want to take it this semester, don't worry. In the spring, we're going to have an academic library class that'll be an online class that we're going to teach. And so if you can't get into this one or you don't want to take this one, come back and check in the spring. We're going to have a class on academic librarianship. IST 604, Cataloging of Information Resources. Now, this is one of the more popular choices that you've listed on your survey. Cataloging is a useful skill, helps you understand how stuff is organized. It's going to be taught by Barbara Kwasnick. IST 606, Legal Information Resources and Services. If you're interested in law librarianship, this is the course to take, and this is the time to take it. It won't come up for another 2 years. What we're doing is we're alternating legal 1 year and medical the next year. So if you want medical information, you're going to have to wait till next fall. IST 617, Motivational Aspects of Information Use. This one's taught by Ruth Small, and this is her research area, about what motivates people and how motivation helps them do a better job in using information. IST 635, Collection Development and Access. This is a course that some of you requested. If you're going to be doing collection development, then you should consider taking it. Again, this is a course that won't come up for a while, so if you want collection development, you need to take it in the fall. IST 645 is Managing Information Systems Projects, so that's a project management class. Can be a useful skill if you're going to be in management. IST 659, Database Administration Concepts and Database Management. Now, when we talk about databases in this respect, we're talking about it in a bigger respect than just the search databases. Searching databases are one form of database, but database is a structure for holding data. This can be a very useful skill. IST 676, Digital Libraries, is also offered in the distance form. IST 681 is a metadata class. So metadata is understanding how to create data about data. It would be a great complement to the CAS and Digital Libraries. It would be a good elective choice for that particular degree. And finally, IST 759, Planning and Designing Digital Library Services. This is the capstone in the Digital Library class. It's going to be an online class, and so if you've been taking the Digital Library CAS, now you can take the capstone. So that wraps up some of your choices for the fall. For the spring, we'll have even more stuff. One note about scheduling. In the past few years, we've had the core classes offered in the summer. Now, going forward, we are not going to offer all the core classes every summer. There may be some core classes that come up in the summer, but don't go into the summer semesters expecting to take the core classes. You should focus on taking the core in the school year, and then we're going to have more elective choices in the summer. So again, this is a change from how we've been doing things. So that's it. Thank you very much. I'm Scott Nicholson. If you want the list of all of these courses, head over to the LIS blog and check out the list and other stuff that's going on there. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.